Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and thank you for all the support so far. In today's video, we're going to walk through different methods to fix Outlook errors when it can't connect to the server. Outlook is one of the most widely used email managers developed by Microsoft, but sometimes users run into issues where Outlook is unable to connect to the server. When this happens, you won't be able to send or receive emails, which can quickly become frustrating, especially if you rely on Outlook for work or daily communication. The good news is that this isn't usually a serious technical problem, and in most cases, you can fix it on your own. So let's go ahead and walk through some simple troubleshooting steps to resolve the Outlook cannot connect to server error. Before we jump in, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. Let's start with one of the most common causes of this issue: incorrect account credentials or Exchange server settings. First, open Outlook on your PC. Click on File in the top left corner, then select Account Settings and click Account Settings again from the dropdown. This will open a new settings window. Under the Email tab, select the account that's having trouble connecting. Click Remove to delete the account from Outlook. Once the account has been removed successfully, restart Outlook and add the account again using the correct email address and password. If the issue persists, make sure your internet connection is stable and that your firewall or antivirus software isn't blocking Outlook. Sometimes, security software can interfere with Outlook's ability to connect to email servers. These basic steps resolve the issue for most users. If Outlook still can't connect after trying these solutions, more advanced fixes, such as repairing the Outlook data file or recreating your Outlook profile, may be required. That's it for this video. Hopefully one of these methods helped you fix the Outlook server connection issue. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.